Welcome to YouTube. Today, we're giving you an up-close look at one of the most powerful and luxurious performance SUVs in the world, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 4.0 TFSI Quattro Performance. This is not just an SUV, it's a high-speed statement on wheels, blending supercar power with Audi's legendary Quattro technology and everyday practicality. Under the hood lies a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now tuned to deliver a jaw-dropping 640 PS and 850 Nm of torque. With a blistering 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.6 seconds, the RS Q8 isn't just fast for an SUV, it's faster than most sports cars on the road. And thanks to the Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed Tiptronic gearbox, the power is smooth, controlled, and brutally effective on any surface. From the outside, the 2025 RS Q8 wears a bolder, more athletic look. The Daytona Grey Pearl Effect paint job paired with the blacked-out RS styling package screams performance. The massive front grille, LED matrix headlights, huge air intakes, and signature RS oval exhausts at the rear all hint at the beast within. Sitting on 23-inch alloys, it looks like it's always ready to pounce. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure Audi luxury fused with motorsport DNA. The cabin features premium Valcona leather sports seats, a flat-bottom RS steering wheel, and carbon fiber inlays. The dual-screen MMI touch response system and Audi Virtual Cockpit deliver a fully digital and intuitive driving experience. You also get Bang Olufsen 3D audio, ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, and all the tech you'd expect from a 2.4 crore rupees SUV. On the road, the adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering ensure that this big SUV handles more like a performance sedan. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising in complete comfort, the RS Q8 never feels out of place. It's aggressive, refined, and insanely addictive. The 2025 RS Q8 is Audi's boldest attempt yet to take on the Lamborghini Urus and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, and it does so with pure Quattro confidence. If you want everyday usability with supercar soul, this is the one.